Welcome to DHS Informatics. DHS Informatics conducting a free webinar on full stack development. Full stack development techniques: mean, mourn, mend. These three techniques we are covering in this free webinar. For whom this webinar will be useful means you are looking for a job, or you are want to improve your technical skill. Definitely it will be useful for you. It is 100% free webinar only. Don't. Now, what is meant by mean, mourn, mend? All these frameworks are using a JavaScript as a programming language. The front-end interface will be there. What are the queries are getting from the front-end interface? It will go to the web server. That web server will do the processing work. It will be taken care by the web server. Then the data will be stored in a database or retrieved from the database. It is called MVC architecture, model view controller. Model view controller, in the sense, view means front end, model means that logic, and model means that logic we can say. Controller means how to handle the multiple queries. Okay, how to handle the controlling the multiple queries. That is a controller, MVC architecture. All these three things will come under MVC architecture only. Main thing is a JavaScript programming language we are using. Here the common thing is MEN. These are common, whereas a different thing is ARV is a different. What is meant by MEN and ARV? We will see. M for MongoDB, E for Express.js, N for Node.js. MongoDB, it is called NoSQL. SQL means structured query language. NoSQL means without structured query language. We are developing one database that is called MongoDB. It is called unstructured database, document database. So that usually table structure means number of row, number of column will be must. Here no restriction like that. You can able to unstructured way we can store the data and retrieve the data. That is called MongoDB. Okay. Express.js. Express.js is nothing but it is a web framework. How to handle the queries from the multiple client and how to give it to the processing unit and get it back. And Node.js. Node.js is nothing but it's a JavaScript runtime, because I already told these frameworks are developed using a JavaScript programming language. We need some runtime environment to execute that code. Now for that we are using a Node.js. So that these three things, that is a MongoDB, Express.js, Node.js, these are the common. And which is differ means ARV. A means Angular. It was developed by Google in 2010. And R for React, it was developed by Facebook in 2013. And Vue, it was developed by even you 2014, is an exemplar of Google. So that we are having a ARV. All these three things are front-end interface. What is meant by interface? When you are using a Facebook or Gmail, where the users are interacting, where we are logging in, what are the areas users are interacting? No, that is called user interface. To develop this user interface, we are using that the Angular, React, Vue, any one we can able to use. It is called a single page application, SPA they will call. That means in single page only we can do lot of work. In Gmail, login will be one page, we logged in, compose will be another page, and sent you are looking, it will be in another page. No, but everything will happen in a single page. That is a specialty of this new technique. So that you can able to select a path MongoDB, Express, Angular, Node.js, or MongoDB, Express, React, Node.js, or MongoDB, Express, Vue, Node.js. So that you have the three ways are there. You can select any way. All are very, very interesting and very attractive and new. Lot of new techniques are there. To know all these things, I am requesting you to attend this webinar. Who is conducting this webinar means is having that guy who is conducting this webinar is having 10 years of experience. He conducted several corporate training program. His students are placed in Microsoft, Capgemini, Infosys, IBM. Many companies his students are placed. So that don't miss this chance. You have to register and attend this webinar. How to register this webinar? You have to register this webinar through the Google form link in the description. Go and click the description link. In the description a link will be there. Click it. Google form will open. Just simple details only. You fill your contact detail and email ID, your name, and few other details will be there. That's all enough. Okay. So that for any queries, just WhatsApp us. Don't call us because we all are busy with the online classes, that and this, so that we cannot able to pick your call. So that we are requesting you to WhatsApp your queries to 73383452550. Okay, we will be definitely come back to you within 4 or 5 hours back. We will come back to you. When this webinar is going to happen means it is happening on 10th July 2021 on Saturday between 11:30 to 1 p.m. 1.5 hour session, and it will be very useful for you. That's all I want to tell you. You want to know more about our company, visit our website www.dhsinformatics.com. Please share this video to your friends, those who are really looking for job. It will be helpful for them. If you have any questions for that, place it in a comment. We will come back to you. You are not subscribed our channel, please subscribe our channel. Thank you. Have a good day.